They say that history will repeat, but this is a story whose occurrence we must defeat, because how many more generations will death meet? Kalesa menele karkafi harma mure, hara morma kenya muran, boru mal murani. There will be no Bilasuma if we don't reach Sokuma. It is in our unity and our shared dreams of freedom that we may see a better tomorrow. We must not let the story of Walaga become the tale of all Oromiya. We cannot let the lives of my grandfather Tumuskin, my great-uncle Tessel, and every Oromo killed before them become the fate of those after them. So when they ask, Oromo Jurtu, let your voice be heard. When they wonder where we are, let your presence be seen. And when they ask what you are, tell them that you are Oromo, that you are Borona and you are Barantu, that your blood is shared with kings and warriors, that your native tongue holds tales and stories passed down generations, that your Ufata Ada is worn as a symbol of pride and a preserver of history, and that your Oromummma will never stop existing.